Hey there, so today it's Kaz, and we're going to run over a quick case study that we have completed for a furniture brand based out of Australia. So they're an e-commerce brand, they're doing SEO, and they're generating a decent amount of revenue on a monthly basis. You know, they're still kind of growing in the early-ish stages, and they wanted something that could really push everything across the board for them. So with the SEO that they were doing, they were leaving a lot of money on their table. It was around 90% abandoned cart that we're not buying, which is pretty typical actually for most e-commerce stores that don't run any form of remarketing or email. So profitability was a massive issue for them. Obviously, drop shipping furniture has very slim margins as it is. So we need to find a way together to maximize as many monthly sales as possible with as minimal ad spend or SEO budget increase as possible. When we started out, they were at a 0% revenue from email marketing, but of course we managed to increase that to an extra 30% revenue on top, which isn't peanuts in any way, shape or form. So the ROI was pretty clear in terms of what they were making. It was basically returning and adding a little bit of extra on top in terms of revenue. And that was just something we managed to achieve in literally a span of the first 2 months. So just 60 days upon starting with a particular client. Now, the furniture industry isn't always the easiest to work in. It's normally a high average order value, low volume of sales. But in this case, we managed to really bump it up. And as we can see here, by dollars per recipient, for every email that we sent for abandoned cart, it was worth $144 per email sent. So it's a no-brainer in this case, and in many kind of e-com setups to run this sort of setup. And yeah, so I've been Kaz. If you want to make this your campaign, of course, just click through on Let's Chat and let's take it from there.